Wizard of West LA here. Welcome to Python programming. This video is about how to put comments in your code, and it's about different styles of comments and different places to put them. So let's try the first one. Comments use the hashtag or the pound sign depending where you're from, and we can put something like this. This is a comment, and we'll put some code. We'll print something. Whoops. We'll print something. So this is the comment and this is the code. So if we run this, this will not execute. And we'll call it comment. So there we go. It prints hello. So we can also change things around. We can also, as you can see, you can put a comment here. You can also put, remember this is our command, you can put a comment after it and it will not execute that. So I could put this is a comment. You can put a space or you can not put a space. So this is the command and this is a comment. So if we run this, we'll save it, and it prints hello again. Okay, it will not execute that. So the other thing you can do is you can use this symbol to prevent a line from operating. Suppose you want to discover where there is an error, and you can blot out certain lines to prevent them from operating. So we have two commands called hello and then world. So we run this and it will print hello world. Now let's say I don't want world to print. You can go before that line and hit the hashtag or the pound sign. So it will only operate this line of code. This one will do nothing. So let's run it. And now it says hello only and will not operate that line of code. Okay, let's say you want to put multiple lines. So we have the command hello. I'm going to move it down a bit. So I can put comment 1, comment 2, comment 3. None of these will operate, but this will operate. So we're going to run it. So it only shows this, hello. There's another way to do this. Instead of putting this symbol before each one, this is a little shortcut. You can start it off with three quotation marks. You can surround this with three quotation marks, like braces. So I have three quotation marks, all your comments, and another quotation mark. So let's run this. There, it only operates hello. The nice thing about this, I can keep adding more comments. I'll put 4 comments. Whoops. As you notice, I don't have to keep putting the other symbols, so you can copy and paste and do whatever in here. And notice the color green. They change color, but still they will not function. So I will run this again, and you will only see hello. So that is how you do comments. If you like the video, feel free to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. I will be posting more and more separate videos on different command and functions for Python. Remember, keep on learning.